Hello everyone, myself Prerana, a pre-final year student in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, studying in Rajrajeshwari College of Engineering. I am a Monstack developer where I have built websites for farmers. I'll build the websites in the field of medical and in the field of quantum computing, etc. So there are few projects that have to be built. So we are a team of 4 where we divide our works among ourselves and then we'll proceed with our projects. Now, if I have to talk about a very interesting thing, that is about water bottle. Yeah, you guys must be thinking this is just a water bottle, but let me explain. This water bottle is named as Google's G bottle, where in this cap there are sensors where that will be connected to the phone. Just think, you are studying for 3 long hours, 4 long hours. What this water bottle does is it learns your schedules, it learns the patterns, and it sends the message to your phone when the energy is needed to you. At each 30 minutes, this sensors sends a message to your phone stating that it's time to hydrate. Such an interesting fact, right? So let's just think this is not just a water bottle, it's a healthcare assistant. Now, let me tell about my campus. So, what my college is lagging is like our friends or our juniors or seniors, just they are thinking about attendance. They guys think that CGPA is more important than gaining skills, but they lag how to use these AI tools. As we are building projects, we are aware how to use AI tools. Like more importantly, I use Gemini for building websites because it's very interesting. It gives very interesting UIs, whatever I needed. So if I become a campus ambassador, I just want to share awareness among our friends, among our college, that how to use prompt engineering, how to use prompting techniques using Gemini, how to build websites using Gemini, how to just make their skills better using Gemini. So this is my goal. Like my college mates have to know how to use these AI tools to enhance their skills so that they'll be best in their career. So now if I have to talk about the failures that I've faced and what I've learned is, so once we were into a hackathon where it was a time for pitching our idea and showcasing our websites, whatever. At the perfect time when we were about to pitch the idea, there was a network glitch. AI became silent. I was just scared whether we will ace this or not, we will win or not. Finally, what I did was I kept my laptop aside, my phones aside. I just explained whatever the idea was, whatever the words came into my heart about the idea. I've explained to the judges. Finally, we won that. So, what I learned is you should not lose your confidence at any point of time. Now, finally, if I have to take a challenge of 7 days with zero budget, at day 1 I'll paste the QR codes everywhere in the canteen tables, in the library desk. When the people scan that QR, it states that ask Gemini what your professor haven't told you about, or ask Gemini that your professor can't answer. This is from day 1 to day 2. From day 3 to day 4, I would just send a screen recording of how Gemini builds a website, builds a nice UI UX for our websites. That screen recording I'll share through my WhatsApp groups, among my friends, among my colleges. From day 5 to day 6, I'll just host an event which is called as Promptathon, where the task is there will be 3 minutes. So in that 3 minutes they have to build a landing page using Gemini. So at day 7, all my juniors, seniors and friends will know how Gemini works. It's just extremely wow. They should feel extremely wow. They should just addict to Gemini. So thank you for giving me opportunity to make this video.